Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Supreme Learning Academy. This is class 10 midterm, that is essay 1 question paper science Karnataka Board 2024-2025 batch. So this is science paper. So before we are going to start, if you are new to my channel, go subscribe my channel and share it to your friends, and don't forget to hit the like button and notification button. Stay tuned for more such updates. So let's get started. First part, section A. First part, section A, physics. 3 multiple choice questions will be there. Each carries 1 mark. The current passing through an electric kettle has been doubled. The heat produced will become. Answer for this is 4 times. Next, the unit expressed electric power is watt. Next, according to the right hand thumb rule, the thumb indicates the direction of electric current. Next, come to second main. Answer the following question. So 1 mark question, 2 questions will be there, each carries 1 mark. Define unit of current. So 1 ampere measures the flow of electric charge across a surface at the rate of 1 coulomb per second is called electric current. Next question, in domestic electric circuit, with which wire we connect with fuse? Answer is live wire. Or explain why two magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. Because if two or more lines intersect each other, then it means that at the point of the intersection, the magnetic field has two directions at the same time. Next third main, 2 mark questions. Calculate the resistance of electric bulb volt of 10 ampere current when connected to a 220 volt. So for formula, resistance is equal to V by I. Resistance is 220, current is 10, so 0 get cancelled, 22. Resistance is 22. So what is solenoid? A solenoid is a coil of insulated wire wound on a rod-shaped form made up of solid iron, solid steel, or powdered iron. Draw the pattern. So this is the pattern. The magnetic field is uniform throughout the solenoid. So this is the pattern you have to draw. Next, state 3 waves in which strength of electromagnet can be increased. So by increasing the current flowing in the coil, by increasing the number of turns, and by increasing the length of a air gap between the poles. Next, come to fourth main. Answer the following question. 3 marks question. This is, list the factors on which resistance of a conductor in a shape of wire depends. So the length of the conductor, cross-sectional area of the conductor, the temperature of the conductor, nature of the material used. Now B question, why are metals used good conductor of electricity, whereas glass is a bad conductor of electricity? Because metals are conductor because they have a free electron that can move easily, while glass is a poor conductor because it lacks these free electrons. Why are alloys commonly used in an electric heating devices? Give reason. Because the resistivity of the alloy is more than the resistivity of pure metal. The melting point of an alloy is high, so it does not melt or oxidize easily even at a higher temperature. So next, this is a circuit. Calculate the value of current and total effective resistance. Next is the property of magnetic force. So these are all the properties of magnetic line force. Important question. So this is answer. Next, come to next main 4 mark question. For heater rated at 4 kilowatt and 220 volt, calculate the current. So current will become P by V, which is equal to 18.18 ampere. The resistance of the heater, second one B. So R is equal to V by, that is 220 V by 18, which is equal to 12.1 ampere. Then energy consumed, then cost. Then answer the following question. The circuit of a diagram given below shows the combination of 3 resistors R1, R2 and R3. So total resistance of the circuit, find the total resistance of the circuit. So this is the formula to find the total resistance of the circuit. So that one is first one. Second one, the current through the circuit can be calculated as V by R. So 12 by 6A, which is equal to 2 ampere. The potential difference across the R1 is equal to 2A plus 4, which is equal to 8 volt. That is section A, physics part. Now come to biology and chemistry part B. 3 multiple choice questions. So 2 multiple choice question. First one, chemical formula for limestone. So for chemical formula for limestone is CaCO3. Baking soda is a mixture of sodium, hydrogen carbonate, and tartaric acid. Next question. Explain why food product containing fat and oils like potato chips are packed in nitrogen, because to prevent them by rancid, becoming rancid. What is an alkali? Give an example. A chemical that can be dissolved in water, combined with acids to form a salts and make acids less acid. So example, sodium hydroxide. What is the chemical formula for baking soda and washing soda? For baking soda, NaHCO3. For washing soda, Na2CO3. Next one, 2 mark. Answer the following question. Two questions will be there, each carries 2 marks. What is the oxidizing reaction? Identify the following reactions. The substances oxidized and the substances reduced. So the carbon is oxidized and zinc is reduced. So in red one is there, that is the answer. In black one is question. Write an equation to show that reaction between the plaster of Paris and water. So this is the reaction you have to write. Next main 3 marks question. So rearrange, balance the chemical equation. So this is the balance, so easy. So 3 questions easily you can get the 3 marks. Then come to washing soda. What is washing soda? State 2 property and 2 uses of washing soda. So this washing soda is a chemical compound known as sodium carbonate or sodium ash. 2 properties of washing soda and 2 uses of washing soda is this one. If you want, you can take the screenshot for this. So I am not going to explain all the things because the video will become more long. So let it be short video. So that's why I'm not reading all questions. Just read out, you will get to know about that question. So these are all the important questions that may come to your H7 question paper. So this is model paper. Nobody will give you the actual paper, not even in Google, not even in YouTube. So they can give the model papers only. Next, let's the important products of chlor-alkali process. Write on important use of each. So the product of alkali process is sodium hydroxide, chlorine gas, and hydrogen gas. The uses of each product is this one. So sodium hydroxide, it is used in the manufacturing of paper. Chlorine, it is used in the plastic, pesticides, and hydrogen is used in the hydrogenation of oil or vegetable ghee. Next one, next main 4 mark question. So in which of the following chemical reaction water is insoluble in precipitated form? This is the question. Then our questions match the following. Then come to question number 26. In the given figure, the following schematic diagram for the preparation of hydrogen gas as shown in the figure. What would happen if following changes are made? So this is the diagram. Question is, in place of zinc granules, same amount of zinc dust is taken in the test tube. What will happen? So it will be, because zinc dust has a larger surface area than zinc granules, therefore the speed will be greater. Then second question, instead of dilute sulfuric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid is taken, where with dilute hydrochloric acid almost the same amount of gas is evolved. Then in place of zinc, copper turnings are taken. So with copper turnings, hydrogen gas will not evolve because copper is less reactive. Next, fourth one, sodium hydroxide is taken in a place of dilute sulfuric acid and the tube is heated. So zinc also reacts with sodium hydroxide. So if sodium hydroxide is taken, then hydrogen gas will be evolved. That is chemistry part. Next come to part C, biology part. So 3 multiple choice questions. So first one, the secretion of which following brings about the similar reaction emulsifying the soap dirt. Next one, the in a synapse chemical signal is transmitted from. So answer is D. Next, the tropic movement that brings the movement plant and plant parts towards the light is phototropism. B. Answer is B. Next, 3 mark question. Out of xylem and phloem, which one carries the materials upward as well as downward? Answer is phloem. For only upward, answer is xylem. So next question, which part of the brain posture and equilibrium of the body, that is cerebellum? Name the disease caused by the deficiency of the thyroxine hormone is hormone thyroxine is goiter. Then write the function of each of the following. Blood vessel, what is the function of blood vessel? Here is the answer. Then what is the function of blood platelets? Here B is the answer. What is the function of C? Lymph. And what is the function of D? Heart. Next one, why do arteries have thick and elastic walls whereas veins have walls? So this is the answer. Take screenshot if you want answer. Then what are hormones? Name the hormones secreted by the thyroid and status. I'm not explaining each and everything because you know the reason. Video will become very long. So question number 34 answer is this. Then come to next main. Explain the process of breakdown of glucose in the presence of oxygen and in the absence of oxygen. So this is in the presence of oxygen and this one is in the presence of absence of oxygen. Next question number 36. Diagram is given, name the part label ABC. So you have to draw it. If here already diagram is given, only you have to label the part. In sometimes they will give draw and label, both you have to do. This is important diagram. See, check out this diagram with label. Then here the questions, which part acquire the information in the neuron. Dendrites are the part that acquires the information, through which the part does information travel, that is axon. In what form the information travel, that is an electrical impulse. Or question, give various function of brain. Either one you can write. Then I draw a neat diagram of human alimentary canal and label the parts. The part that secrete bile juice, that is liver, then esophagus. So this is the alimentary canal you have to draw and check the label also. This is also important diagram. Next 4 mark question, draw a sectional view of human heart and the label the parts, given parts. So check all the labels. And why is double circulation of the blood necessary in the human being? So this is the answer. Next come to our question, name the part A to E in the following. So here you have to write A, B, C, D, all. You have to label this part. And what is the term given to the sequence event occur in the diagram? The term given to the sequence event occur in the diagram is reflex arc. So this is your SA1 midterm science question paper. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.